Hello everyone and welcome to the Williams Lifestyle. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create your own thumbnails for your YouTube videos through Canva. You can use free account or pro account. Right now I'm using a pro account because I need Canva on other things like removing backgrounds and other stuff. So with the pro, there's so many things that you can do for pro, but if you don't have the budget yet, you can use a free account. So if you want to sign for Canva, the link is in the description down below. When you sign up, I will get a little commission for signing up on Canva when you decided to do a pro. So I have my affiliate link down below. Sorry guys, I can't talk much. Anyway, so let's get started. So everyone, we are inside Canva. So now let me show you how easy it is to create a very attractive thumbnails for your YouTube videos. So on the search bar, you just type YouTube thumbnails, which I already have because I've been making templates. So these are the variety of templates that's ready for you to use. And they have different colors, and you can change these colors, you can change the text, and you can change the photo, or you can just use the stock photo as well. It's totally fine. So we're gonna start with blank, the way I can show you how to make it. So after we're inside this blank templates, what we can do is we can choose which thumbnails we're gonna pick. So this is for free accounts, and you can tell when it's not for free account, like this one is for pro account only. So if you use this, you probably had to pay some money for this, and this one right here is for free account. So for this tutorial, I'm gonna choose this right here. So these thumbnails in here, you can use this on any niche that you want. Like for instance, you can use this for travel, food blog, a daily vlog, or beauty, or so on and so forth. So for today's video, I'm going to show you how you can recreate these thumbnails on your own for your video, and then make it your brand. So we're going to start with deleting the picture. So as you can see, the picture is a stock photo. So I'm going to change this with my own picture. So since we have a free account, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a frame in here where I can just drop the picture and it will be inside the frame. So how to do that is we're going to go to elements, and I think I'm going to choose the circle or the round frame and put this on this side, make it a little bit bigger. And when you make this, when you pull on the side, it will not hurt the sizes or distort the photo at all. So now I'm gonna drop my photo. So I go to upload, and this is all my photo. But if you are new to Canva and you haven't uploaded any photo, you can simply click the upload files, and then go to the folder that your photo is saved, and you just click the photo and you hit the open. So once you hit the open, it will be here downloading, and this upload button right here will turn to round blue circle, and it's like a water swimming. So for this one, I'm gonna use this photo of mine, and I'm gonna drop this inside the circle, and I'm gonna double click this one. That way I can crop it to the way I want, and I'm gonna pull to the side, and then do like this. That's good. And then hit done, and that's how my photo look. And if this is not my brand color, I'm gonna click this purple, this, just click here, and I will change this to by going to background color, this little icon right here. You click that, and let me turn this to yellow. And then this one, I can change this color to white. Is the white, that way it looks pretty. And then we'll do the second color, we'll make this a little bit darker, and then we're gonna make this a little bit smaller and put it to that side. Okay, so for this picture, everyone, if you're not happy how it looks, what you can do is you can go to elements, and you go to line and shapes. So for this one, we're gonna choose the round. So I'm gonna choose the, oh, sorry, I got double click. So I'm gonna choose the round and I'm gonna turn this to white. So I'm gonna make this bigger, that way it'll match my picture. Sorry guys, my dog is walking around. So that's on the top of the picture. So I need this to be on the back. So what I'm gonna do is click this three brown button right here and click the send to the back. And there you go. So now we just had to adjust this. That way the picture is in the center. Sorry, my dog. So now I want to change the text, all this decoration right here. So this one, I'm going to make this white. So the, like the fire, it's like a fireworks. I'm going to make this white. That way it's kind of brighter. And I'm going to make the other one red. So like that. And I will make this right here white or black. No, I'll make it for this color. And then I will change this. I'm going to do this, how to make. And then this one right here, I'm going to change this, how to make 5,000. And I want this number to be spread a little bit. So what I'm going to do is highlight, go to this section right here, the spacing, and go to letters, the letter spacing. So I'm going to adjust this until I'm satisfied of how it looks. And then just click anywhere. And then I'm going to change this color as well, like the purple to the same color. And then how to make 5,000 in a month, in 1 month. So spread this a little bit. So you have to adjust the text because sometimes the text can be a bit longer. So just adjust this until you are satisfied how it looks. And so now I'm happy with how this template looks. And what you can do is you're gonna name this, and this is, I'm gonna name this how to make money thumbnails. I mean, we can name this however you want to, but I always name my thumbnails to what I'm uploading to YouTube. So after you make that one, you just click the share, click the download, and then you're gonna choose the JPEG. It make it so easier to upload on YouTube. And then after you click the JPEG, you hit the download, and this screen right here will show you that it's downloading, and it is really quick once when it started, and you'll see this message is complete. And then you'll see that on the bottom right here it says it's downloaded. So you go to your download images and stuff, and then you go to your YouTube and change, put that on the thumbnail section. So Canva is really easy, everyone, and I think you will enjoy it. And you can use you can use the free account or the pro account. It's up to you, but there's a lot of advantage using the pro account because you can remove the background on the video and the photo, and there's more like elements and templates that you can use using Pro. So if you want to give the Canva a try, my link is in the description down below. So thank you so much for watching this video, everyone, and I hope that this inspire you to create YouTube thumbnails for your next videos. It's really easy to do, and there's so many templates that you can use using Canva. And if you like this kind of content, please let me know in the comments below and let me know what content you want to see next. So until next time, bye bye everyone.